The words versatile and tool are combined so often these days that it's hard to tell if it's the truth or just an easy marketing ploy. But a quick tour of a professional construction site will certainly prove that a circular saw, a handheld electric saw that uses a round spinning blade to cut materials, is the real deal when it comes to versatility. A good home workshop also warrants a reliable, powerful saw that can make short work of a variety of tasks, from breaking down a sheet of plywood to making quick, repetitive cuts on a stack of framing lumber. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best circular saws you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. DEWALT 6-1/2 inch 20 volts max circular saw. DEWALT was at the forefront of brushless technology and lithium-ion battery technology, and the company's 20 volt 6.5 inch circular saw is a prime example of what the brand's tools can do. This cordless circular saw uses the same 20 volt battery that most of the DEWALT lineup now runs on, so those invested in the 20 volt lineup will have a host of compatible batteries. It also runs at a top speed of 5,150 RPMs, allowing it to keep up with high-end corded models. Despite its power and capability, this saw weighs just over 7 pounds. It features a beveling base that adjusts between 0 and 50 degrees, while the rubber over molded grip remains comfortable and reduces vibration. Keep in mind that this is a tool-only purchase. The saw doesn't come with a battery or charger. Pros: impressive maximum speed for cordless saw, uses 20 volts DEWALT batteries, lightweight at just 7 pounds. Cons: battery sold separately. Number 4. SKILSAWSPT70WM01 circular saw. SKIL is such a well-known sawmaker, many people call all circular saws SKILSAWs, and believe it or not, the company's SPT70WM is its mid-size model at 10.25 inches. This worm drive saw can cut both framing materials and sheet goods, and also handle thick timbers associated with post and beam and timber framing. Deck builders and timber framers can appreciate the quick and accurate cuts the SPT70WM can make in one pass. It uses a 15-amp motor and runs at a top speed of 4,600 RPMs with plenty of torque. This corded, heavy-duty saw might be a bit much for some DIYers, but they won't be able to deny its capability. Pros: plenty of cut capacity for lumber and thick timbers, powerful, torquey sidewinder gears and motor, 4,600 RPMs from a 10.25 inch blade. Cons: overkill for most DIYers. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN 7-1/4 inch circular saw. Not everyone needs all of the features of a top-of-the-line cordless saw or the heavy-duty capability of a timber framing model. For DIY projects that include an occasional small framing job or breaking down plywood sheets, and when saving money is a priority, the affordable CRAFTSMAN 7.25 inch circular saw might be the right choice. This 15-amp model runs at 5,500 RPMs and features a magnesium shoe for reduced weight. The shoe bevels up to 55 degrees, allowing users to customize the angle of their cuts. Also, this model features a built-in rafter hook that DIYers can use to hang it from a beam, ladder, or another ledge. Keep in mind that a lot of this saw is plastic, so it might not be so durable should it slip from that beam, ladder, or ledge. Pros: affordable price point, built-in rafter hook, impressive speed and power. Cons: contains a lot of plastic. Number 2. BOSCH CS10 7-1/4 inch circular saw. First-time DIY tool shoppers need reliable, standalone tools to build the foundation of their kit. This corded circular saw from BOSCH is just one of those models, not requiring the user to previously own any batteries while also being powerful enough for the user to grow into. This saw doesn't have a bunch of bells and whistles to confuse a first-time user. It features a powerful 15-amp motor that spins the 7.25 inch blade at a top speed of 4,400 RPMs. It also has a beveling base that adjusts up to 56 degrees. The wrench to change the blade stores on board this saw as well, allowing newer tool users to keep track of it for easy blade changes. And the built-in rafter hook makes hanging this saw from a ledge a convenient option. Pros: plenty of speed without being a handful, onboard wrench storage for blade changes, built-in rafter hook for safe storage during breaks. Cons: stripped-down model without many bells and whistles. Number 1. Makita 5007 megagrams 7-1/4 inch circular saw. For all-around capability, performance, and features, the Makita 5007 MG 7¼ inch circular saw is worth a look. This powerful corded model uses a 15-amp motor and runs at speeds up to 5,800 RPMs, allowing it to tackle anything from construction to cabinet making. It also features magnesium components to lighten the weight, though it does still weigh over 10 pounds. The 5007 MG has plenty of desirable built-in features. It features 2 built-in LED lights as well as a built-in dust blower, allowing users to keep their eyes on the cut line at all times. It also has a large cutting capacity, giving the 7¼ inch blade a 2½ inch cutting depth. This circular saw's beveling base has positive stops at 22½ and 45 degrees. The kit comes with a heavy-duty carrying case as well, protecting the investment during transport and storage. It comes with a 24-tooth blade, but users will likely find upgrading to a better blade well worth it. Pros: magnesium components to keep it light, powerful 15-amp motor produces 5,800 RPMs, built-in LEDs and dust blower. Cons: despite the magnesium, this model is heavier than some of its competitors. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.